Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the DeLonghi Magnifica XS Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the steamer was leaking. What was basically missing was this O-ring inside the steamer. It was missing this O-ring that was causing the steamer to leak all over the place. So we replaced that and we gave the machine a tune-up, replacing the infuser that is right here and replacing the O-ring from the generator. We also descaled the machine, deep clean pretty much everything around it, deep clean the grinder as well, and as well as the program chamber inside. So, starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out this machine, then we're gonna use the hot water and steam. You can see we have 1.5 ounces, which is pretty good for the shot of espresso. Good water flow. The grinder can be adjusted, can be a little bit more finer. Right now we're on the coarser setting. That's the reason we have a very weak coffee, but it can be a little bit more stronger if you increase the grind settings. And now for the hot water. And as you can see, nice steady stream of water, no leaks around the steam one or anything there. And now we're gonna use the steamer. Now that we are compressor, you can see that it's working perfectly fine. There's no leaks around the steamer one, and it has really good temperature and really slow. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.